My name is Kamil. I'm from Black Spheres team, consisting of 4 students of automatics and robotics from AGH University in Krakow, Poland. Last year we were chosen to a Drop Your Thesis program organized by ESA Academy. And right now we are conducting microgravity experiments whose goal is eliminating the problem of space debris. So the main idea behind our experiment is space debris and how can we eliminate it. And the goal of our experiment itself that we are doing here in Bremen is to record the motion of objects that resemble the space debris, that is uncooperative satellites or some pieces of hardware that is damaged. During the drop experiment we record the motion of such objects, and based on this motion we feed it to an algorithm that we are developing, and based on this algorithm we want to estimate the vital parameters that are essential to a problem of eliminating space debris, that is the mass distribution inside of such objects, or how are they gonna rotate and behave in the next moments. Everything we will find important. The experiment consists of 3 main subsystems. The first of them, the spheres. These are the objects that inside of them we put a mass that may change its position, and in this way we simulate the objects that are on the orbit, because for example a damaged satellite might have some solar panels moving, and this way its mass distribution isn't constant like here. In the beginning of the experiment those spheres are put on the motors, and those motors rotate those spheres to a certain rotational velocity. During the microgravity those spheres are released and they float freely inside the capsule, and this motion is recorded by 6 high-speed cameras, and then the data from the cameras and the electronics inside the sphere will be used to develop the algorithm that we are working on. After the campaign we would like to analyze all the data that we gathered and draw as many conclusions as possible. We are gonna take part in some scientific conferences presenting the first results of our experiment and the data that we obtained. Later we would like to present the idea to broader public and try to find a way how can we proceed with this experiment, because we know that it will be hard to deploy such an algorithm, let's say in 1 year on the orbit, but we would like to be a part of this research on space debris.